guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this little video I'm going to show you what I eat in a day, and everything that I eat strategically to heal my gut so that I heal my eczema. So I'm filming this a couple days later just because I don't think the intro that I gave was good, because I think all I did was start eating an apple. So I just wanted to give you guys a little rundown about what you're about to see. So I'm just eating throughout the day. I'm weighing everything on my scale, and so I'm gonna keep like a tab somewhere of how many calories I'm eating. I want to keep track of micros and keep track of macros, just so you guys know the types of nutrients I'm getting. And it's also really informational for me as well, because I don't track. This isn't something I normally do. And so this is going to help me in the future, and maybe it'll help you guys. So let's go watch. So I'm going to watch what's her name? Lauren Tickner, I believe. I'm gonna watch Lauren Tickner's epic New York City cheat day while I eat my breakfast. So here we go. Okay guys, so I'm still hungry. I haven't gone to the gym yet, and I'm a little nervous to go to the gym without eating more than just an apple. So I'm going to make a couple little shrimpies up and then put it on a waffle and then eat the waffle. So let's go do that. So I don't have a real clue what I just made, but I'm gonna eat this shrimp waffle and then head on to the gym, and hopefully I can film some of the workouts for you. Let me taste this thing. Okay, that's pretty good. I'll see you later. Alright guys, so I am at the gym with my mom, and I came here because I had just eaten that shrimp and everything, and so my lovely mother decided to come along with me, and we got in a pretty good workout. So I'm going to show you what I eat for the rest of the day. So I just did some lifting on this machine. We did some workouts together, and I'll be ready to eat again soon. Okay, so I just got home from the gym, and now I'm going to dye my hair. So I'm wearing like my special hair dyeing shirt. And then what I want to do for the rest of the day is I need to meal prep. So what I do, since I eat a lot of beans and lentils and stuff, I'll meal prep those. I want to meal prep sweet potato and cabbage and a chayote squash. So I'll show you guys that later. I'm not sure what I want for lunch. I think I'm gonna have black bean spaghetti. I'm not sure what I want with it, so I'll check in later. Alright guys, so I just put all of that into this bowl right here, and I am so hungry from that workout, so I'm gonna go eat this. So basically, just to tell you guys, these are black bean noodles, beet noodles, carrots, and green peas. And I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna go eat. I will talk to you guys later when I make my pre-dinner or second lunch.
Three hours later.
So I'm making a pretty big mess of my kitchen right now, but I wanted to show you guys how I meal prep. So I did make a meal prep video a couple videos ago if you want to watch that, but in the meantime, this is what I do pretty much every Sunday. So let me show you. So I was in the middle of cutting a yam. So yams are actually a little bit different from sweet potatoes. They're not as hard, and they also have a smoother outside. And so I'm also going, that thing right there is called a chayote squash, a chocho, or a choco. So I'm gonna cut that up, and then what I do is I'll put it in that bowl and microwave it, and then it's literally done in 4 minutes. So then I am pretty hungry still, so I cut up some of the yam to eat, and so I'm gonna pop that in the oven in a few minutes. So this contraption here, aside from my algae oil there, this thing was used to cut up my cabbage, and so that is currently cooking. So I'm gonna finish doing that, and then I'm gonna eat those. Okay, as you can see, this is how my natural hair is. I have quite wavy hair, but I just wanted to show you how these fries turn out because they look so good.
Three hours later.
Okay guys, so it is later in the day now, and I'm about to eat dinner, and I'm so hungry from that workout earlier. So I'm just gonna try to film what I'm making. Basically, I'm making a wrap with like a bowl of vegetables. So I'm gonna measure those out, show you guys everything, and then I'm gonna eat because I'm hungry. And then I'll probably have dessert a little later on. Dessert. And that'll be a wrap. So I'll see you guys when I am eating my dinner. Okay, so dinner is made. I have a yummy wrap, and so I put hummus, cabbage, and chayote squash in there, and then I have a bowl of veggies, and I'm so excited to take a bite. This is a sweet potato wrap. So I'm gonna go enjoy my food. I may have dessert later. I'm definitely gonna have dessert later. And then basically the whole reason I wanted to make this is I have not been tracking all day today. So I have absolutely no idea how much I've ate. I don't know how many calories, I don't know my macros, and I don't know my micros. So in editing, I'm going to look up all of that information, and you guys have already been seeing it by now. There should be some sort of tally on how many calories I've ate. So this is just for me to just find out, because I honestly have no idea. I haven't been tracking for 6 months. So this is informational for you and for me. So go eat now. And for my dessert, I'm going to make a banana nice cream. So I start with half of a fresh banana. So we're gonna add that to this. And then I'm gonna go in with frozen banana. So that's 52 grams of fresh banana. Total, I have 180 grams of banana in there. We have reached the end of the day. I am so tired, but here is my chocolate nice cream. You just saw me make that. And this is my day. So this is a full day of eating. Everything I ate is eczema friendly because I am still trying to heal my eczema. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So as of today, you can still see it, but we're doing so much better. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. So if you like content like this, please let me know by liking this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to me because I make content like this all the time. I love it. I literally have a passion for nutrition. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.